From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Dana Osgood here with your Thursday evening forecast. We had a bit of a dreary day here in State College. You can see the clouds and rain coming through in this time lapse of over Beaver Stadium. And unfortunately, I don't have much sunshine for the forecast. In fact, it's a pretty active weather pattern, something we'll take a look at in just a moment. Currently, it is 37 degrees, but keep an eye on the visibility only being 3 miles. So if you're traveling home on your evening commute, just be aware of some areas with low visibility. In terms of temperatures, most areas are in the upper 30s to lower 40s. However, Pittsburgh was the warm spot of the state today, reaching up to 55 degrees. In terms of radar and satellite, we had a lot of rain move through earlier, but a lot of it is tapering off here in central PA now. A lot of the main showers are to our east, and we will actually see another band of showers come in a little bit later, so don't put your umbrella away just yet. And it's actually a pretty impressive system. You can see the center of circulation over the Great Lakes, and these fronts are all reaching down all the way to the Gulf of Mexico, which is pulling a lot of that moisture up here. Something even more interesting is that you might be asking yourself what month it is, because why do we have a convective outlook map? So there is actually the chance of some thunderstorms here in central PA, and actually if we stretch all the way into Ohio, there is an enhanced risk of severe weather. So a little bit unusual for January, but something to keep an eye on. As we move our way into the future, we'll have another band of showers that could be heavy moving through Thursday evening, and then after that we have a little bit of reprieve in terms of rain. However, the west and some of the upper elevations could be contending with some lake effect snow showers, but here in State College will remain relatively dry. Now, the clouds are going to hang tough as we go into the next couple of days. Could have some clearing as you go into the early hours of Sunday morning, but as I said, it's a pretty active weather pattern, so we aren't done with precip just yet. On Sunday, this storm is tracking a little bit to where we could see some snow or mixed precipitation. Now, precipitation type is very dependent on temperature, so we want to keep an eye on the forecast closer to Sunday so you know exactly what kind of precipitation type you'll be seeing in your area. So this system is going to move through our area on Sunday, and then we have just some clouds to contend with for the beginning of the week, but the active pattern continues, and we'll have yet another system heading our way for Tuesday and Wednesday. And again, this one's even farther out than the Sunday one, so keep an eye on the forecast for precipitation types and amounts. But before we can get to all of that excitement, for tonight a low of 36. The rain for the most part is going to taper off, but we could have that other band coming in around 9 to 10 p.m. tonight, so don't put your umbrella away just yet. For tomorrow, a high of 40 degrees with a chance of showers around 30%, so a little bit lower, but something you still want to keep an eye on. And it's going to be rather breezy as well, with gusts possibly over 40 miles per hour. And the 7-day forecast is going to show our trend for the next couple of days. And as I said earlier, it's going to be a very active pattern in terms of weather. There isn't a ton of sunshine in the forecast, though temperatures are going to be pretty consistent in the mid to upper 30s. But if you're a fan of sunshine, I'm afraid I only have rain and precip for you in this coming up week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Dana Osgood. Have a great day.